Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to Grooming. Today we're going to go over a scissor trim haircut and a cool beard trim with my buddy Ron. I hope you guys enjoy this one. One of the first steps I like to typically take during an all scissor haircut is to just easily wet the hair down, comb it into place, see which way it falls, figure out which way they want to wear it, and then cut accordingly. With this haircut in particular, the way that Ron styles his hair, we're actually going to start our guideline on the side of the head, and we're just going to pull the hair out, pull it out on an angle, and cut a quarter of an inch off, whatever your client is looking for, and just follow that guideline around the head. And then as you begin to reach the front of the opposite side of which we started, you can then either bring your guideline up the crown or down towards above the ear and match the short hair in which you just cut with the long hair that hasn't been cut yet and make the two even. After we make sure the top is completely cut and even, we will then transition down to blending the sideburns into the beard to get ready for our beard trim. Usually just do that the same way you would do a regular taper. Put your skin line in initially and then work your way down with a bigger guard. And then from there, I'll take my trimmer and start lining him up and getting the sideburns and the temple clean. While we still have our trimmers out, I'll then edge up the back of his neck in a natural round shape to keep the fullness of all the hair that he has growing. And then from there, I'll begin to taper the beard out into the sideburns, starting with the 2-guard, working my way down to skin to blend in with the sideburns as well. Then once we're through with that, I like to take my clipper and just freehand all the strays and flyaways off of the beard and make sure it's completely smooth and evened out before lining it up. And then once all of those steps are finalized and complete, I'll take my blow dryer and a vent brush and I will blow dry Ron's hair naturally into place with a little bit of lift and volume in the front. Then I like to take my Volt sea salt spray and give it a few spritz to style and give it that locked in, beachy, dry, textured style look when it's all said and done. For one of the final steps of this cut, I'll take my straight razor and I'll just razor the sideburns and the top of the beard line natural but sharp to give it that final crispy definition.